is James Denton and I'm the Sales Manager at JME Advanced Inspection Systems. Globally, how we do business has changed significantly over the past 12 months. JME as a business has invested heavily in a media studio to allow us to maintain that one-to-one relationship with our valued customers. From here, we're able to demonstrate all of JME's product range, including our pipeline crawlers, our high energy solution, the portable X-ray Betatrol, JME's new product, the digital X-ray buggy. We're also able to demonstrate our third-party products, which we distribute exclusively within the UK marketplace. These include QSA's Open Vision system, as well as a portable X-ray tube range manufactured by Exelon. Contact our sales team on the email address shown on the screen to arrange your personal one-to-one demonstration.